Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Square Payment UI components. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall Square Payment UI components, first, open your project's code editor. Locate the project where the Square UI components are integrated. Next, navigate to the package management file, typically named package.json. Search for any dependencies related to Square payments, such as @Square/payment browser. Once found, remove the relevant lines from the dependencies section. After that, save the changes to the package.json file. Now, open your terminal or command prompt. Run the command to uninstall the package. For example, use npm uninstall @Square/payment browser if you're using npm. If you're using yarn, the command will be yarn remove @Square/payment browser. After the uninstallation is complete, check your code for any remaining references to the Square UI components. Remove any import statements associated with Square payments from your JavaScript or TypeScript files. Also, delete any components that render Square Payment UI elements. Once you've cleaned up your code, it's essential to run your application to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Monitor the terminal for any errors or warnings that may arise during the run. If any issues occur, investigate and resolve them by checking your changes. After verifying that everything is clear of Square components, your uninstallation process is complete. Finally, consider committing your changes to version control, ensuring a record of the uninstallation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.